Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the gaming performance of eFootball on the Samsung Galaxy A07. In today's video, I will play eFootball on all the graphics settings with the maximum frame rate supported. The Samsung Galaxy A07 supports eFootball on low graphics settings with 60 FPS, and it supports standard graphics settings with 60 FPS, and it also supports high graphics settings with 60 FPS. Now, first of all, I will play eFootball on the lowest graphics settings with 60 FPS. The gaming performance of eFootball on the lowest graphics settings with 60 FPS is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is normal. Now let's increase the graphics settings to standard and the FPS to 60. The gaming performance of eFootball on standard graphics with 60 FPS is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is still normal. Now let's increase the graphics to high and the FPS to 60. And this time I will start screen recording while playing this game. As you can see, the game is dropping some frames. The gaming performance of eFootball on high graphics settings with 60 FPS is good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is a little bit warm. And I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game. And this is the gaming performance of eFootball on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.